Hi there, thanks for joining me at Gillian's Art Flow. I had decided that I would like to do a pour using an egg carton, a 6-egg carton. It didn't work. I believe that the cardboard that the carton is made out of isn't robust enough, and it deteriorated as I was putting paint on. So I changed it out and decided to do a puddle pour and blow it out with the hairdryer. I did that, didn't really like it, so I tilted the canvas, and you've joined me at the point where I'm going to start doing a swipe. So this is only the third time I've done a swipe, and I was really pleased with it. I learned a couple of things along the way. The first one was have extra coverings on the table, because when I do it, it gets quite messy. And the second thing is that it seems to me it's the metallic paints that are selling up. Now, while I don't want the painting to be full of cells, it would be rather nice if I could get the other paints to sell up as well. I think this might be to do with the pouring medium. Kathleen at Cos Creations, I've got a link to her channel down below. She uses GAC 800 and seems to have cells in abundance, so I will add GAC 800 to my Amazon wish list. My birthday's coming up in about 3 weeks time, so who knows, I might be lucky enough to get some for my birthday. So I'm just doing a little few enhancements on the painting, and I'm just adding a little touch of colour where there is too much of one colour. The way I'm doing that is I'm just putting some paint on the very edge of my stick and just running it down what will be a natural line that's already there in the painting, but it isn't very pronounced, so I'm just enhancing that a little bit. I hope you've enjoyed watching the video and enjoyed watching how this has developed. It really would mean a lot to me, and it helps my channel grow if you could give me a thumbs up. It's 2 minutes of, doesn't even 2 minutes of your time, it's like 2 seconds of your time to do it, and it doesn't cost you anything. Also, if you could subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done. Again, it takes about 2 seconds of your time. Just click on the subscribe button. It helps my channel grow. I'm self-funding, so it would really help me to continue doing these videos if you could just spend 2 seconds hitting the subscribe button and hitting that thumbs up button. And I really would appreciate it. For now, thank you very much for watching this video. And until I release the next one, please take care. Bye for now.